Hi, this is Mark Millian for CompuMove Systems, and today we're going to look at downloading and installing the CompuMove Salesperson tablet application. This is a program that's designed to run autonomously on the tablet and allow you to exchange data back and forth with your cloud Office CompuMove. And we're going to look at how we download and install that and do the initial configuration. As you can see here, I've gone to compumove.com/tablet, which is the landing page to do this installation. I'm going to scroll down and pick on Tablet Install, Download Now. You can see I'm using Chrome here, but this will work in any browser. It's going to do the download. It's about 60 some megs, so on my computer that takes just a moment. I click on that. I'm going to get a nice warning message from Microsoft. We appreciate your concern, but we are going to run this. So I'm going to say run anyway, and then I'm going to have to answer yes to that question. And then so I land here at a crucial spot, and that is I do need to know my company name. And you will get this from CompuMove, from us, or from your administrator. In this case, I've got a developmental database called DevTest that I'm going to use. And I'm going to go ahead and click next, and then I'm going to do install, and then this is going to do a perfectly normal Windows install. I'll go ahead and close that browser page out behind it. It's going to happen in a couple layers because there's several different things that get installed to allow the tablet to function autonomously. Total install time is probably about 30 seconds. So we'll just wait it out. Looks like it's done. When I say finish, now I've got these two icons on my desktop. So we can log into a Cloud CompuMove session, and that's almost a subject for another video, but we do put this here because a salesperson needs to be able to deal with estimates after they've been exchanged back to the office. But what we're interested here for the purpose of this video is this CompuMove Sales Tablet icon. When I click on that, it's going to go find the uninitialized tablet database setup. And so it wants to know my company name, and it wants to know my CompuMove salesperson username and my password. So in this case, I've got a database called DevTest. I've got a salesperson named Steve. I've got a password that I'm going to use, and then I'm going to click on Do Setup. And then it starts the initialization process. Now, depending on how big your CompuMove setup is, meaning how many job types, what tariffs you subscribe to, how many forms are there, it will take several minutes to complete this. Depending on your network speed, and if you subscribe to carrier-specific tariff like the Wheaton Beacon's Stevens tariff, they could take 20 minutes to download the hundreds of thousands of records that are part of those custom tariff sets. So we will let this run. I'm not going to show all of this in real time. I will pick this up once the installation has completed itself. All right, now our download is completed, and so we've got this message, MobileDB init complete. The program will now terminate. So I'm going to click OK to acknowledge that. Now I'm going to relaunch the Sales Tablet program, and now I've got this login. I've got the salesperson username. It's preloaded with his password because in tablet mode, we allow you to log straight through. So now we've got mobile plus Office and mobile only. So you log into mobile mode, and you're going to be running the devices that are saved, or excuse me, the records that are saved on the tablet. You click on mobile and Office, and now you're going to be in dual mode. Now you're going to see a split screen, and now you're going to be able to exchange records back and forth. So how that process actually happens is the subject of another video. When we've gotten to this point where we're capable of the dual mode login, then the installation is complete. So now we've logged in dual mode here, and we've got the split screen in front of us. We could start a new quote record on the fly. We could exchange records back and forth. There's an exchange mode. We can talk about that so that we can work on records untethered in the field and bring them back to the office once we've completed our survey portion. And then the rest of the sales cycle goes on from there. So that is a subject for another video. The purpose of this video is to do the installation. So once you've come to this point, installation is successful, and we can carry on with the rest. So we hope that's helpful. If you've got any questions, as always, please call our office. Thanks a lot.